Hi guys, wanna know about my nighttime skincare routine? Then stay put. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since last week you saw my morning skincare routine, it only made sense that I recorded a nighttime skincare routine. So here I am, and without wasting any time, I will get right into it. So before I start my nighttime topical skincare, I like to make sure that a few of the prerequisites are already met during the day. Like 3 to 4 liters of water intake, a balanced diet. Of course, I'm human, I have cravings, I like to indulge, but most of the times I like to keep my diet as balanced as possible. Thirdly, a little bit of workout. And fourthly, I like to apply SPF one more time to protect my skin from those harmful UV rays. And then I begin my actual nighttime skincare. So here we go. The first and the most important step is to cleanse your skin. I clean it using the Soothing Cleansing Gel, which I of course used in the morning as well. This is great because it's not only soap free, it also takes off all my makeup. This is literally my ride or die. After cleansing, I like to spray my face with rose water. This is so soothing and calming at the end of the day once I'm done recording all those makeup tutorials or maybe stepping out in the sun for a shoot and also taking care of any allergies caused during the day for whatever reason. After the rose water, the next step is my eye cream. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. I use this in the morning as well and at night also. Using my ring finger, just go around the orbital bone and of course my eyelids, because you don't want those eyelids to be ashy in the morning. Once the eye cream is done, next is my serum. So I use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This has made my skin feel so supple. I just take literally one pump of the serum and then I just spread it all over my face. And of course, don't forget to take your product to your neck and to your décolletage area. Like I told you in my morning routine, if you haven't checked it out yet, then I'm going to link it over here. Please check it out. I'm sure it will help you. And then of course, I like to sort of massage it, pat it, combination of both into my skin, my neck and my décolletage area. I am not taking the serum to my under eyes since I've already applied my eye cream. After this, I like to wait for about 2 to 3 minutes and then go in with my most favorite moisturizer, the Cetaphil Moisturising Cream. This is literally new life for my skin. With the addition of the serum and the combination of the serum and this moisturizer, my skin when I wake up in the morning feels really supple and healthy, and I don't feel any dryness whatsoever, which I was sometimes feeling before figuring this skincare routine out for myself. So once I've applied the moisturizer, the next step is lip balm. I'm using the Himalaya lip balm. Of course, you want your lips to recover at night as well, so don't forget to hydrate them. So my skincare is complete, but I have this weird habit of wearing perfume at night. I like to spray a little bit of perfume and go to sleep because psychologically I feel that I'm gonna get good dreams. Also, it makes my senses feel very, very nice, and the fragrances of course are my favorite, so they're soothing to my senses, and I feel like I go to sleep well when I wear perfume and sleep. So right now the perfume that I've been using is Nude by Rihanna. It is this, and I just spray a little bit on my pulse points here and my wrist. So guys, this concludes my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this follow-up from the morning skincare routine. And of course, if you have any questions about any of the products, feel free to get in touch with me on YouTube or through Instagram. Anything that is convenient to you guys. And of course, I will see you next week with something new, something fresh, something fun. And yeah, I love you guys. See you next week. Mwah.